Hello guys, so today I have another quick unboxing for you guys to make here, and I've just ordered a video light, and the problem I was having is that the lighting was very poor, and I was looking for some solution which could give me a sort of an external light which is not too expensive and something which is very handy and I can carry if I needed to travel. So that's where this product came in. I researched over the internet, found out that it's very handy, simple, operated by battery, and I just ordered this from eBay. Packaging is very simple. It's made in China. It says the working hours is 100 minutes with the batteries. It takes 1.5 volt for batteries, and that is it. So I'm just going to open it up and show you guys from the inside, and then I'm going to show you a demo of the light, that what difference will it make to your videos if you have this light. Now, because I am using a very low ISO, so right now I'm recording in 60 frames per second with a shutter speed of 125 and aperture of 1.4 with my Sigma lens, and the ISO is 200. And so because the ISO is 200, to reduce the noise you need an external light. So going back to the light, this light is very cheap. It was under $10. I got it from eBay, and the build is it's got matte plastic on all sides, and it's got this sort of light diffuser. And I'm just going to pull this off. So you can either use it directly by exposing the LEDs, or you can even use this light diffuser on it. I would suggest that to use the light diffuser so that it doesn't create glare. Then it's got this socket over here which you can connect over your tripod or over your DSLR as well, directly to shoot over it. But I'm just going to leave this because it's better to handle the light physically by holding it and whichever direction you want to point it into. So I've got two of these examples over here. I've got light coming in from the window, and I have my the box of the LED, and I have got this light stand next to it. So I'm just going to try to focus on both of the products and then try to give you a visual aspect that what difference it'll make. So I'm just going to move this for a second because it was not focusing very well, and I'm just going to move this over here and focus this as much as I can. So yes, our product is in complete focus. Going back to the light, we've got two switches on and off over here, and we have got the high power and low power button over here. That is it. And if I just open up the lid on the back, so you can see it comes with 4 batteries. I mean, it doesn't come with 4 batteries, but I installed 4 batteries, 4 AA batteries, and that is it. So you don't need to buy any rechargeable batteries because you're not going to use it for a very long time. So just let me switch it on and show you the difference. What difference will it make? And you see that it's very, very bright. So that is with the light diffuser. You can see I'm pointing it directly into my camera, and it's gone all white right now, but yes, it will make a difference. Right now it's getting evening, and I do need more light. I'm on ISO 200. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the light in different directions, and you can see how much difference does it make on your video quality if you were to use an external light. So I'm just going to turn off the light, and then you can see the difference. And here I go, I've turned off the light, and you can see this area is now very much dark. And same goes to if you're doing some indoor vlogs. So I would really suggest you to get this handy light. You don't need to get something fancy. It's a very simple light, and I think that it should do the job, and you can very easily move around your product, and you can video accordingly, and that would give a brilliant look to your video. So if I you know, whatever shadow you want to make, if I move it a bit back, it gives that really nice shadow over here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep it on the side. So this is the top perspective of the light. If I had a tripod, or if I just fix it on my camera, so then it's going to give you this sort of perspective. So guys, this was my quick video for the sort of transportable LED video light, or you can say handy video light. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. All right guys, thanks again and bye for now.